Hey guys, so today I've got a 2021 Mercedes Benz GLB here for an oil change. I'm going to show you how to reset the light after an oil change. So first thing we're going to do is turn the ignition to the on position. Press it twice. I'm going to clear this message with this button right over here. I'm going to press the home button and then select trip. Then we're going to press and hold both these buttons for 5 seconds. Let it go. Press the home button one more time and then go all the way left to workshop mode. Press enter. Go down to assist plus. Enter. Full service. Confirm service. Select the oil grade that you used. And confirm. Full service has been carried out. So you can just use the back button to get out of the menu. And that's it. You can turn the ignition to the off position. Start the vehicle afterwards. You should not see that message anymore. And then press the home button. Go all the way to the left and the workshop mode is not engaged anymore. So very easy to do for DIYers, repair shop technicians, or pretty much anybody. No special tools are needed, no special skills are needed. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.